probably a bunch of good sources for shifting your focus to site reliability engineering. I mentioned that this came out of Google in about 2008, and they've got loads of site reliability teams and site reliability employees now. There's also a book that came out of a number of Google employees, and I forget the authors of that book, but a quick Google, you'll be able to find it. They've got a whole book on their views and how they implemented site reliability engineering and all the things that they think you should be doing. For me, our team, like I say, encompasses a little more than just that sort of system engineer, deployment, automation sort of thing. We look at our performance engineers are embedded in that team. There is a really good set of blogs from a guy at Netflix. He's called Brendan Gregg, on things that sort of monitoring that you set up, how they measure their apps, how they do data collection, ways they profile things, monitor things. I love his blogs. I think they're really great, and they'll sort of give you a view into how the sort of things that we would focus on in our implementation of SRE. But ultimately, it's like any sort of agile or DevOps culture thing. You make it work for you. So as long as you're sharing responsibility, as long as you're focusing on measurement is a really important thing. So that's one of the DevOps principles, is measure everything. And as long as you're accepting failure as normal, for me, they're the important things, and that should guide what your performance test and your performance engineer process looks like.